Ban penjai jaya ke jingting ki paj ba halor ke injection COVID-19 Menteri ka tana ka koi ka khia jo ka jela ba el hek ula truai la de bonde baningkong na preng ki menteri ka koi ka khia ban she me ka injection la da sha Komban jipun kan mau lai pesan hajat li ki dose ki la poi ha ke jela me glaya bar on sedang ke jing ai vaccine na do ka khan riu tarik ukala lingkot ar haja ar poi u hek ulong balada ka ni ka dawai kamlong ka bachangan ki start dawai kim jen la pha ban wan chakmat i ki brio ban shem yaka Kibriu ki day pen ban ban yo iya ka jingtre shi tom jo ki start science na ka benta ban yadai kibriu na ka diga khlam
Given for the health workers, let's start from the health workers only because it is the instruction came from the government of India. Okay, if we are saying given to every citizen, then the health minister will be the first person who will be vaccinated.
So why I say this because
See, if it is not safe, the government of India, all our expert, medical expert, they will not encourage the people to take the vaccine. Okay, see the record of the medical expert. Check the record of all the scientists who is doing all the hard work, the effort, all these days to get the vaccine. These people are not doing just for the sake of not killing the people. No. They want to see the safety of the citizen, the safety of the individual.